let's practice solving quadratics by factoring. So we've seen that the zero product property makes it really easy to solve equations if they're in factored form. And we've also seen how to factor quadratics in some special cases. So let's put those two processes together and solve some quadratic equations like x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So the first step, step 1, is factor the quadratic. So we've got x squared plus 6x plus 5 is our quadratic. And remember, we use our diamond-shaped diagram to help us factor. So we've got, what are our coefficients here? A is this invisible 1, a equals 1. B, our degree 1 coefficient is 6, and our constant term is 5, and they're all positive. All right, so we put AC in the top box. A times C is 5. And in the bottom box, we've got B, which is going to be 6. And then we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 5 and add up to 6. So how could we factor 5 so that the factors add up to 6? Well, one of the easiest factorizations of 5 is 1 times 5. And 1 plus 5 does equal 6. So that will do the trick for us, 1 and 5. And so our factorization ends up being x plus 1 times x plus 5. We take these two coefficients from the middle diamonds and put them as our constant terms in the factors. Multiply that out, it equals x squared plus 6x plus 5 using the FOIL method. All right, now step 2, we're going to use the zero product property. Now that we've factored our quadratic, we can rewrite it in this form. We've got x plus 1 times x plus 5 equals 0. And so the zero product property says we can split this into two equations. We've got these two factors. They're both going to be set equal to 0. And so at least one of these has to be true. All right, so x plus 1 equals 5, that means x equals negative 1. If x plus 5 equals 0, then x equals negative 5. So x equals negative 1, or x equals negative 5. These are the two solutions to our quadratic equation. If you plug either of those values in to our original quadratic, you're going to get 0 on the left-hand side, which is exactly what we were looking for.